Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know that if you are using YouTube Music, that Google has once again started rolling out the 2024 recap playlist on YouTube Music, where you can check out your favorite artists and songs. So I always found this interesting to go back when they do roll out these recaps. So you can check out for 2024 your top songs from number 1 right through to number 100. And this is an ongoing series, these recaps, which they started rolling out at the end of 2021. And then we get our quarterly recaps, as you can see. And then we get our yearly recaps. So this is last year's recap. And here's 2024. And I also noticed today, at the same time when I received my 2024 recap, they also rolled out the September to November recap, which is for the last quarter of this year. And the quarterly recaps have your top 50 songs for that time period. And as mentioned, your yearly recaps have your top 100 songs for that time period. And I have noticed, though, if we just go back here, that as they are rolling out more of these recaps, the early recaps are starting to disappear. That's why I always say save them as a playlist or add them to your library, because if you don't, then you cannot go back. And I see quite a couple of comments on the channel asking me, where's this playlist gone? And the reason is I always say save it as a playlist or add it to your library. So here we can see they've removed 2021's yearly recap. So if you want to save it as a playlist or add it to your library, you just click on the little three-dotted menu there, and as you can see, I've already added this one, so you can remove playlist from library or add it to library, and you can save playlist and so on. So I always advise that, because the more of these roll out, they start removing the older ones. And I do find this interesting. It's quite interesting. I'm listening to this one today between videos, and I'm going to move on to this one obviously when that's finished. So go check it out if you are using YouTube Music. And very interesting to see what your top songs were from 1 to 100 throughout the course of the year. This latest recap being for this year, 2024. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.